morning, Mia! Every good habit you complete will unlock a magic star.
Yes! Let's do it!
First challenge, make your bed.
I can do that.
Great job! A tidy room is a happy room.
Brush, brush, brush!
Brush for 2 minutes to keep your smile bright and healthy.
Fresh face, clean hands, and a happy smile.
Which should I choose?
Healthy food gives your body super energy. Looking neat shows you're ready for a wonderful day. I have my homework, water bottle, lunchbox, and pencil box. Excellent, you're ready for school. Magic star number 5 appears. Wow.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Have a wonderful day.
Have fun at school, Mia. Amazing! You completed every morning habit. My morning was easy because I followed my routine. Good morning, rise and shine. Brush your teeth, you'll feel so fine. Wash, eat, smile, and off we go. Good habits help us learn and grow. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.